Hello, hello. Good morning, good morning. Once again, this is Kaprotas, breakfast time. My coach, more cook hot pods better to me than more press cold pods. That's my coach and observation. But ignore my pods. It's up to you what is your pods and drinks. And also, any problems that comes to me, I have a solution. I can find a solution. I don't put in heart and mind a problem because it will destroy my everyday life and future. I always say there is a solution in problem. That's my coach and observation. Okay, let's it. Breakfast time. Press. Sweet orange. Hmm, talagang matamis. Hmm.